नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओतून इयत्ता 7वी विज्ञान या विषयासाठी असणाऱ्या ब्रिज कोर्स अर्थात सेतू अभ्यासक्रमाच्या सोडवलेल्या कृतीपत्रिका म्हणजेच वर्कशीट्स शेअर केलेल्या आहेत। हा कोर्स 45 दिवसात पूर्ण करायचा असल्याने हा व्हिडिओ विद्यार्थी व शिक्षकांसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त असणार आहे। शासनाने दिलेल्या वेबसाईटवर हा कोर्स मराठीतून उपलब्ध आहे। मात्र हंसिनी चॅनलवर तुम्हाला सेमी इंग्लिश व इंग्लिश मीडियमसाठी आवश्यक असणाऱ्या विज्ञान विषयाच्या सर्व वर्कशीट उपलब्ध होतील। तेव्हा पुढे येणाऱ्या वर्कशीटसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा व अधिकाधिक व्हिडिओ शेअर करा।
Welcome to Bridge course for Standard 7th General Science Worksheet number 6. Reference of Standard 6th Chapter number 5. The question number 1 is, read the following and write which property is seen in metal from the given in the bracket. Malleability, ductility, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, sonority. The question is, Mom switched on the light of the kitchen. The room was lit. So here it will come electroconductivity. To practice music, sister played copper cables. Ductility. Mom kept a vessel on the gas stove to make tea for sister. Meanwhile, Mom dropped the sugar container's lid. There was a rumbling sound. Sonority. Mom hesitated, and because of that, Mom's hand had a burn by a pan placed on the gas stove. The transfer of heat, so thermal conductivity. The next question is question number 2. Think and tell. The first part is where metals are found. Metals are found in the form of minerals deep inside the earth. Question number 2. Tell the name of 2 metals seen in your day-to-day life and write their uses. Answer is copper, used in electrical gadgets. Second is gold, make the ornaments. Question number 3. Why so? In electrical equipments or wiring, copper wires are used. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. Wooden handle is attached to the cooking pan. Wood is a bad conductor of electricity. Question number 3. What if rubber was used instead of steel wires in tambora? There would be no sound if rubber was used because only metals produce a ringing sound. Bridge course for Standard 7th General Science Worksheet number 7. Reference of Standard 6 Chapter number 6. Question number 1. Classify the following into natural and man-made substances: wood, slippers, glass, cotton, clay, bricks, milk, iron, fruit, plastic, sugarcane, air, chalk, water, cement, and natural substances. So in this list, the natural substances are wood, cotton, clay, milk, iron, fruit, sugarcane, air, water, and natural substances. In this list, the man-made substances are slippers, glass, bricks, plastic, chalk, cement. Question number 2. Which of the following man-made objects can be made from the following substances? So the question was soil. Answer: pot and decorative articles. The next question is wood. So the answer is, from wood what you can make? Toys, chair, table, etc. Question number 3. Why so? Glass can be made from sand, but sand cannot be made from glass. The answer is, in some cases, recycled crushed glass can be considered as partial replacement for sand. Sand cannot be made from glass in pure form because it is irreversible change. The second question, inorganic substances should not be used sparingly. because these substances are only available in nature. They are not obtained from living organisms. Question number 4. Write 2 examples of natural, irreversible changes in daily life. The changes which you can't reverse: ripening of mango and cooking of rice. Bridge course for Standard 7, General Science, Worksheet number 8, reference of Standard 6, Chapter number 7. Question number 1. Think and tell. What is nutrition called? The process of taking in food and using it for growth, metabolism, and repair is called nutrition. Second question. Which unit is used for energy from food? The unit is kilocalories. What are the minerals called? The body needs several inorganic substances. They are called minerals. Question number 2. What will happen if? First, iodine deficiency occurred in the body. Goiter will develop. Question number 2. Vitamin A deficiency has developed. The answer will be night blindness and xeroderma, that is dryness of skin. Question number 3. What foods would you consume in the following situation? The question is, beriberi is a disease. The food we will consume is milk, meat, fish, cereals, nuts, pulses. They are a family of vitamin B1. The symptoms of scurvy are bleeding of gums. Question number 4. Classify the following foods into carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins. The options are potato, cereal, ghee, paneer, wheat, pulses, meat, papaya, milk, egg, bhakri, cucumber, orange, fish, oil, and carrot. So from this list, the carbohydrates are potato, bhakri, and wheat. The proteins are paneer, cereals, pulses, fish, egg, and milk. The fatty substances are ghee and oil. The vitamins are cucumber, orange, and carrot. Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, Worksheet number 9, reference of Standard 6th, Chapter number 7. Question number 1. Try the activity. Take water in a transparent glass, add few drops of honey. Pure honey goes to the bottom and stays there, but adulterated honey dissolves in water. Is honey adulterated or not? This question can only be answered by the students because the quality of honey depends from person to person, what kind of quality of honey they have. Question number 2. What measure will you take at your level to prevent obesity? So the answer is, have a balanced diet, eat whole grains, eat fruits and vegetables with their skin, increase use of bicycle, play more outdoor games. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. The first part is, not getting enough nutrients from food is called malnutrition. Overeating causes overnutrition. The third is, a substance that does not provide the necessary nutrients to the body is called junk food. Question number 4. Write an activity to identify adulteration in milk. So take the food material as milk. Add adulterant in the milk as water. Now what you have to do? Put a drop of milk on a glass slide and slightly incline it to spread the drop. Conclusion: if the spread of the milk does not appear milky white, water must have been added to it.